The cursing parrot's astonishing transformation. Within a quaint laboratory, Professor Gizmo crafted a universal translator helmet with a dream of bridging the gap between humans and animals. With great anticipation, he tenderly placed the helmet on his beloved parrot, Polly, expecting heartfelt conversations to unfold. However, to his dismay, Polly started uttering hurtful insults and profanity, leaving the professor utterly heartbroken. Chaos erupted as the townsfolk laughed and gasped at the parrot's unfiltered words, deepening the professor's sorrow. But in an unexpected twist, Gizmo's determination led him to fix the device, and Polly soon began speaking kindly, uniting the town in joy and bringing warmth to his inventor's heart. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's make this adventure even more incredible together.